Are you going to come down the slide? Here come some kids to play with you. Come on down. Come on. Silly. Did you? Let's see. Come on, Alex.
I'm not going down this. I'm not.
Here comes Brennan. What a fast runner. Now the fun stuff, huh? Get up. That's not the right way to get up there, Carter. Come on down from there.
I've climbed up twice before like this.
Hey, I'll just go ask your mommy if it's okay, alright?
I just go up ones that go up straight, not the
That's why we don't do that.